Alright guys, it's Reviews and More, back with a quick review, this time again on another fitness product. Is Dymatize 100% whey protein isolate. As always, if you find the review helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button, it really helps out the channel. So let's get right into it. The main thing about this is obviously the ingredients. If you want to pause it here or just wait for the still image, you can. I'll also link the actual product and its details of where I purchased it into the description. That way you can just go look at it yourself. But it's got a good BCA profile, everything else is fine. You probably have already looked at that. This is really a review of basically how well it mixes, as well as just general flavor and texture kind of profile from my opinion. I've been using this for about a week. It's pretty good. In fact, I'm go ahead and say it's very, very good. I typically, when I drink a protein shake, I always water it down. Like whenever it says 8 ounces, I at least double that every time, because I tend to be very texture sensitive, for lack of a better term, and I will gag if it's too thick. But this protein is of a very high quality, and it mixes extraordinarily well, which means I can put it in this little like 8-ounce thing of water, and it mixes and makes a nice little protein shake that has a pleasant texture to it. I don't gag. It doesn't feel like I'm drinking not to be graphic, but like a vanilla flavored loogie. It's not that thick. It's just a really nice velvety kind of texture. As far as the mixability, super easy. I use a blender, but I've also used a spoon, and it mixes pretty easily. The blender obviously does it almost instantaneously and smoothly because it's a blender, but you could also get away with a blender ball, or just a shake would be functional, as long as you just were willing to have good seals and you're not worried about spilling it anywhere. Real fast, you're going to see it go through a sieve, and it comes through that sieve very, very clean. The only real flaw that I can say with this is the result of how well it mixes. It gets very, very foamy. That's probably the only real downside to it. The foam will stick around for a while, and you might want to let it, after you make your protein shake, you might want to let it sit for about 5 or so minutes and let the foam kind of settle. But other than that, the flavor is great. It is, in this case, we're talking about it being vanilla, but they also have cocoa pebbles, fruity pebbles, and standard good old chocolate. So I think the next one I'm going to get is fruity pebbles, because that kind of makes me happy. I'm excited about that. So I've got to get through this giant bin of it. The price point is really good. At Sam's Club, which is a discount store, is $40 for this big old tub. And that is the price for 58 ounces, or about 3.5 gallons, 3.5 pounds, and you're looking at a price point of only about 60 odd cents. And that's also for a total of 55 servings according to the instructions. There's 25 grams of protein per serving, and overall it's extremely easy to drink, easy on the stomach and the gut. I've had sensitivity issues in the past with cheap proteins, but this is a really good idea if you enjoy getting vanilla protein powder. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.